All right. I hope now we get started. I hope all my three devices are in. Because today I'll be doing a special class, a very special class. It's one of the classes I rarely do. I rarely teach what I'm going to teach, by the way, I don't even teach it. I have not had time to. I keep on improving my classes whenever I can, so you may find that what I taught in the previous series is different from what I'm gonna teach today. Today, unsurprisingly, I will. It could be just your last time to see my face now, so I'm gonna switch it off. I've been here for so many hours in my study room, so I may not come on the video. I've been here for some good hours. I'm just changing my lifestyle a little bit so that it can suit my $10 billion goal. At first, I wanted only $10 million. Someone says there is a feedback. Is it true? Okay. Let me see where it might be coming from. Is there feedback or my voice is clear? Because I don't see it anywhere. Is there feedback? Because it seems it's a person with a problem. I don't see my feedback anywhere. Okay. At first, I wanted $10 million, but I decided to revise my goal to $10 billion and make it a little bit solid. But my level of excellence, how I could measure my level of excellence. At first, when I got started in cryptocurrency, I wanted food. Okay. When I got started in cryptocurrency, I wanted food. My goal was to find something to eat. I wanted to take care of myself. I wanted to be able to eat well. I wanted to be able not to eat rice only and water. I wanted to take lunch, take supper, take tea, eat anything I want when I can afford it. That was my first goal when I got started in a business, in cryptocurrency trading, specifically with the Royal Q. My goal was to first find something to eat. It was my ultimate goal because I was tired of going to Mr. Mobilu's place to have lunch. So my ultimate first goal, friends, was to get food. That's why I joined the business, to be able to take care of myself. These things to do with goalsy, dreamsy, I want to be this was none of my business. Me, my goal is I wanted food. It was my ultimate goal. So since I wanted food, I was surprised with Royal Q that in 8 days of being the business, the business had solved that problem of eating. So I said, since now I can afford what to eat, I want now to afford my rent, pay my debts. I wanted to pay my debts. I wanted to make sure that I don't have anyone who demands me a single coin. Then that worked out. Then I said, my level of excellence now, I want to start making $10,000. Okay, at first it was, I wanted to make $1,000 every single month. And in my first month, I made $10,000. Someone says my voice is not clear. Let me find out. Is my voice clear or not? Someone says my voice is not clear. I'm just confirming a few things. Then I get into my class. Is my voice clear or not? Let me find out. Is my voice clear or not? Let me find out. Because someone says the voice is not clear. Is my voice clear or not? Thank you. It's very clear. So my friend, sort yourself. Okay. So I definitely wanted to pay off my debts using the robot. I wanted to make sure that I don't have anybody who demands you. And the ultimate goal was to make 10,000 for 1,000 at first. Then later I raised my goal to $10,000. Having raised my goal to $10,000, it was my level of excellency. How do I measure my excellency? Then I said, good, I want to start making $50,000. I want to raise my levels from 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40,000, 40 to 50,000 every single month. And yes, I'm not yet there to making $50,000 per month, but at least I make close. I make close to some of those incomes. And if it's not clear, just leave and go. May I have nothing to help you? They have told you leave the Zoom, join again, but we are still complaining about the same thing. I've told you in the chat, it's not me with the problem, because people are saying my voice is clear. It's you with the problem. So if it's not clear, check your network, leave the Zoom, leave, go, join again, as simple as that. So you leave, you go off, you come again, simple as that. The complaint is not working out. It's not me with the problem, it's you with the problem, my brother. So leave the Zoom, go, join again. That's simple. Okay, now today, it is now 3 years in the business, basically. And since it is 3 years in the business now, it has been able to be an amazing story. I don't want to share my story here because I'll share it tomorrow. I will share it tomorrow. Tomorrow I will go into definite details about my story. So I invite you tomorrow, friends, on that Zoom that will happen at 4:30 p.m. East Africa Standard Time. The link is going to be shared today so that you could be able to join and listen to that story in more details with strategic moves. What we have come to look at today is a special class. It's a unique class. It is a class that I've not done any into my existence in the business. And I want to talk about what is the difference between technical analysis and fundamental analysis. When we want to trade in the market, we have 3 types of analysis we can do. We have what we call technical analysis, which I'm going to explain. And in technical analysis, we talk about technical indicators, and I'm going to be explaining what are technical indicators and how we use them. Then we have what we call fundamental analysis, and then we have what we call sentimental analysis. When I got started in crypto, I found out that it could be key and profound for me to do personal research. Okay, when they tell you do your own research. And so I wanted to know anything that could help me. And I want always to give my people the best. So there is a platform called Investopedia. Investopedia. Okay. Okay, it's called Investopedia. So Investopedia is a platform. It's a Google search area. Like you see, this is Investopedia. It is a world-leading source of financial content on web, ranging from market news to other sentiments. And this is market news. It's called Investopedia. Okay, like you see, I hope, can you be able to see, friends, the platform? Okay, this is Investopedia. It does not look at cryptocurrencies only. Is my screen clear? I want to find out because I haven't talked about this since I've been in the space. So this is Investopedia. Okay, Investopedia is one of the #1 leading financial areas you could visit if you want to be able to understand anything. It has investing. What do you want to invest? Is it cryptocurrency? Are they bonds? Are they ETFs? Are they options and derivatives, commodities, trading, automated investing, brokers, fundamental analysis? Everything is in here, friends. Then these are stimulators. This is the banking sector. This is personal finance. What do you want to do? Budget and saving, personal loans, insurance, mortgages, credit and debit, student loans, taxes, credits, financial literacy, retirement. Here we have economy. Economy, is it government policy, monetary policy, fiscal policy, economics? This is news on the markets, on companies, on earnings, CD rates, mortgage rates, economy, government, crypto, ETFs. So these are reviews. Okay, but I just want to make it crystal clear. Let's just go a little bit down here to fundamental analysis, just to give you a clue of what is fundamental analysis, and just simple tools. Then I'll just go to the gist of the day. So fundamental analysis is one of the cornerstones of investing. It gives you tools to help you determine the value of different investments. From SWOT analysis to PE ratios and learning tools of fundamental analysis. So fundamental analysis is a method of determining a stock. A stock is real and fair market value. But then I want to just dig a little bit into this. So there should be a difference between, so here they are trying to help you understand what is the difference of qualitative and quantitative fundamental analysis. Now, I'm not going to go into these details. I'm just giving you the basic. So quantitative fundamental analysis analyzes an investment according to easily measured factors such as earnings, assets of the company, issued stock, while qualitative analysis looks at the hard to measure factors such as the quality of the company's management or strength of the brand. But now, the reason why I'm here, although I'm going to dig a little bit deep into fundamental analysis and also go into technical analysis, there is a battle in the economic world, especially for us who do digital assets. Digital assets of being able to understand how strong these digital assets are and how valid these digital assets are. Just a minute. There's someone disturbing me here. Okay, people usually argue and say that if someone wants to be a trader or someone wants to be a successful trader, some people do not believe in technical analysis. Some people just believe in fundamental analysis. So people like Warren Buffett, he believes in fundamental analysis, and he says that as a fundamental analysis is one of the successful investors of all times. But he's also asked that, Mr. Warren Buffett, you are very good at fundamental analysis, but why is it that you missed out on big opportunities, right? So as a person, like I'm going to be able to share, we as people who do technical analysis, we look at past data. We believe that there is a certain pattern that the market makes all the time, and the market keeps on repeating the pattern over time. We understand that the market has a certain pattern, and the market keeps on repeating that pattern over time. And that's why when I come here, and let me say I search for Ethereum. Am I right? I don't know. Have I written it well, or I've written it halfway? Am I there, or I've written it in a bad way? You say I'm not an Englishman. You say you might write Ethereum, then someone starts complaining. He has written it badly. I read it badly. Am I an Englishman? Am I the founder of the name? Had he written it badly? Had he written it well? We would do you see, people with no languages can complain. Okay, so let's get into this just a little bit. Okay, now this one is explaining what Ether is, cryptocurrency apps of Ethereum, and how it works. So they will be sharing a lot of information here. But let me just take you a little bit down here so that you could see. So down here, they explain Ethereum is a decentralized development platform using blockchain technology. They talk about what really the coin is. Okay, they talk about finance. It works in finance. It works in gaming, governance tokens, decentralized applications. It really goes below here what Ether is. Okay, so someone who wants to do fundamental analysis, okay, the uses of Ether, how does Ether be used, how you can buy Ether, should you invest in Ether? So they give the detailed information, advantages and pros and cons of Ethereum, la 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 la. They give all this detailed information. What has put ETFC? Is Ethereum or Ether a good investment? It has proof of stake. How much will be the worth of Ethereum by 2030? Now, someone who is a fundamental analyst, he will look at all that information. He needs to understand. Someone who's doing fundamental analysis, he needs to understand, what is this coin doing? What product are they making? What partnership are they making? That is fundamental analysis. Do they have any news? This gives them the general idea about what is happening in that cryptocurrency. And one of the reasons why you would see that I discussed yesterday, why you would see why the market is behaving, or why you could see that a certain coin is doing well at a certain time. Sometimes it's because maybe they have made a partnership. Maybe there has been a news that is moving on that cryptocurrency. Like for now, as we speak, we have coins like GNO. Okay, GNO is doing well. Now, you need, as someone who is involved in crypto, there are certain platforms you need to have that will help you be able to get news that is happening in the crypto market space. Now, someone may be asking me, how have you known that Genesis and Injective are up in the market? So what gives you, because as a trader, although I do technical analysis 90% and 10% fundamental analysis. I'm not a fundamental analyst. I'm a technical analyst. So what are those platforms? So I want to share a few of them. I know I cannot share all. I want to share a few of them. I'm going to share my screen, and I share a few of them that you could use. Are we ready to learn, friends? Let me know if we are ready to learn. Let me know if we are ready to learn. Let me know. Okay. All right. So I want to give you a few. I know I can't give all, but I want to give you a few. Okay. All right. So let me share my screen. And these are a must-have. If you want to keep on the brim of your game, okay, you want to be having the latest news in the crypto market space. Number one is a platform that called CoinDesk. CoinDesk. You just write it like that, CoinDesk. Okay, so this is a website. It's a website, so you can always come here on CoinDesk and usually get the latest news. Okay, the latest news, friends. If you want to, you can be able to get the latest news. Okay, you can be able to find out what's happening in the market. What is happening? Fidelity International tokenizes money, a magnet fund on JP Morgan's blockchain. Okay, Okay, tokenized collateral network. Then you can be able to know what's happening. Stablecoin issues wants to give something back to multi-trillion-dollar market space. Okay. Senator bill would use crypto, would open crypto to US sanctions, but the industry is trying to be ahead. So this is news. It is news. This is CoinDesk. So if you are interested in CoinDesk and you want to have it, the few steps you need to do. One, actually say you need to register an account. Okay, you need to register an account with CoinDesk and be able to be getting latest things. This is just fundamental analysis. So if a cryptocurrency has news around it, okay, so you can open an account. So here they say you create an account. So create an account, your email, your password, all these stuffs. And after creating the account, what I would advise you is come on these three dots here and add this to your screen, add it to your home page. Okay, install this onto your home page. Okay, like you see, I've now installed it on my home page. So when I come here, now I know it is the app has been installed. Okay, so CoinDesk. So install it. Okay, like you see, I've installed it onto my phone. Now I just need to register. Right. So I come here and I bring this tool to my icons of news. So this is my news icon here. I just opened for you one of my devices. So if I want to find out, okay, what is happening in the crypto market space, latest news, I'll be getting updates from this area here, your CoinDesk. Bitcoin bags 2 billion inflows. Ether sees high institutional buying since March. So it helps me to keep ahead of the game. It helps me to know what is happening in the market. Although it's not the best, I'm going to give you other platforms, okay? But this is key and profound and very important. Give me one in the chat. One area is called CoinDesk, is key as a trader. Give me one in the chat if you are following. Okay. Good. Now, the next platform onto my list is Cointelegraph. What is Cointelegraph? It's also an application you can download from your App Store, from your Google Play Store. And it says Australians speak. Look, you see, main planet rise 10% as scoops Bitcoin a third type. So this is just news. What is happening around the crypto market space? Am I making sense, friends? So you just keep ahead of your game. If there is a cryptocurrency that makes a partnership, then it's an indicator that that cryptocurrency will do well. If there is a cryptocurrency that introduces a new product, am I making sense? Then you'll understand why that cryptocurrency might be doing well. I don't know if I'm making sense. I want to warn you that don't trust, you could trust the information on these platforms, but don't trust the links they give you. You might land yourself, you might get scammed for nothing. Because usually in these platforms, there are also people who want to take advantage, okay? My next platform is called Crypto News. Here, you open up an account like I was doing. Let me get this email here. Like I was doing, although these emails also are not good to open here because these people are not a joking subject. These people they can deal with you. So when you are opening up your emails, 29.90. If you are not good in the game, some of you don't care. So 29.90. Okay, it has refused. So let me just go back. So here is news. This is news. This is it's called Crypto News. It's an application. So it will give you, crypto analyst predicts XRP will rally 500%. Now, these things, I'm not saying that you trust them. Give me one in the chat if I'm clear. I'm not saying that you trust them. I'm saying they give you, they just keep you ahead of the game. Give me a two in the chat if I'm clear. I'm not saying you trust, it's just news. It's what's happening in the market space. If they require you to invest and you decide to invest with them, you are going to be able to suffer your own way. It's none of my business. Me, I've not told you to watch this, then you, because some of you just become too much excited. No, it is just news. It's just keep you ahead of your game, to just know what is happening. Is it happening on Bitcoin? Is it happening on other coins? Analysts predict Solana ETF if Donald Trump wins presidency. Optimism finally gets a mission. So if there is an upgrade, a partnership, coins will always rise. So you can use coin in news. That's how the application looks like. My next is CoinMarketCap. CoinMarketCap, this has been my friend for some time. I usually open it and I usually come and pick diamonds, but for good days now, I've not been coming here. So come and pick your diamonds, collect some diamonds. CoinMarketCap is an aggregator. So it gives you the overview of the market. And you could also be able to get different news of what is happening in the market. News is here, down here. So this is news. Ripple and Apple pattern to facilitate tap to pay. A well, XRP, Pepe, but doing so. Open up CoinMarketCap. Okay. Now the other platform is Telegram. Okay. The other platform is Telegram. I'm not in everything, but I have certain platforms I follow that keep me ahead of my game. And these are a few. You could be able to see them down here written. And I'm just gonna give you some links in the chat. Good, you are here. Welcome, mommy. Good morning. Okay, sorry now. I'll be working with my daughter. Happy to see you. So we are teaching, so you just follow it. Okay, so I'll be giving you the links here in the chat. So this is CryptoWell. This helps you. This helps you to see how wells are performing. So this is one. Okay, that is Telegram. That is one. Drop Analytics. If you are interested in DeFi, decentralized finance. This is another one. Okay. Another one. Coin Bureau Insider. It gives you rallies why certain coins are going up. Okay, highly recommended. Another one. CoinGecko News. It keeps a little bit high of the game and be able to learn. Another one. I think those are enough for now. These others I will introduce. Okay, this is DeFi, Dripperform, Deraprime.com. It keeps ahead of the game. I know people don't like these stuffs now. Give me one in the chat if you are following closely. I wanna go to, so those ones, they help you get a little bit up of your game in the market, especially people who are here for a long time. You are not a person who's here for a few days. Now, the next platform I'm going to share is Twitter. As someone who is into the crypto market space, I expect you to be on the Twitter space or X. So there are certain platforms I would recommend that you could be able to join on X. I want to share my screen. Are we following? Should we continue or we stop here? Because I see people already exhausted. Yet me, I'm just starting. Okay. Yet me, I'm just starting. So I want to go to X. So there are specific pages that keep me ahead of my game, and they help me be able to be a little bit. There are so many, but I'll just give a key. One is this guy called Watch Guru. He keeps me ahead of my game simply because he helps me get the first latest news that is happening. Okay, the first latest news. So I open up an X account and I put on notifications. So when I subscribe on this guy, I make sure I get all posts. So whenever he posts, I get a notification and I read through. So basically, this is Apple officially announces partnership with OpenAI and will integrate ChatGPT into the iPhone. But ChatGPT is already in. And Elon Musk says if Apple integrates OpenAI to spy into devices, he might launch a phone with Grok integrated. Okay, it's baby. You wanna write? Okay. The next platform that I follow very closely is called Crypto News. Okay, I follow this guy. This guy is good. Asha Crypto. And I usually, on my page called Crypto Ambassadors, I usually get these things and I repost them onto my account. So when I get the information, I usually repost. And when you see me reposting, you can follow the people I repost. Give me a 2 in the chat if you are following. This is my page. It is called Crypto Ambassadors, and the username is at Julius-Kabanda. But I might get the username correct. But it is this at Julius-Kabanda. I usually follow. You can look at, I usually repost, okay? It keeps you just ahead of your game. So like when I get things I see that are good, I just repost on my account. So you could just follow me up and be able to at least be ahead of your game. So I follow Crypto News, specifically this account. This is account. I don't know why here it's not being followed. But if it's followed already, I was wondering. So I usually get the news, and what I find that is key, I usually repost on my account. And these guys keep you ahead of the game, all right? They keep you ahead of your game, and you are able to, so you will see me reposting because someone was asking me, where do you get coins you certain times post? I usually follow top-notch people I've been following for some good time, and I cannot finish everything here, but I can give you just a few. That is Crypto News. I usually follow so many, but I will repost them onto my account because if you just look for me on X, I'll spend some time today and I tag those. So you just need to go to X and look for Crypto Ambassadors. crypto ambassadors, and there are so many. There are so many who call themselves crypto ambassadors, but to avoid issues that you see, there are so many people who impersonate me, but me, I have no problem. People have liked my name so much, and they call themselves my name, me, which is okay. I have no problem. People call themselves my name. So to avoid those issues, I've been able to leave crypto ambassadors with my name, okay, with my name onto the page, Julius at Dash Kavanda, because so many people like the name, so they call it themselves everywhere. So when you go to all pages, I find people calling my name crypto ambassadors, and they have just opened up those accounts. So when I get those pages, I repost them. Okay, I post them. I post them onto this account, so you just follow so that we save time. Give me a 2 in the chat if I'm okay. Just give me a 2 in the chat if we are fine. I'll repost the pages to save the time onto this account so that I save the time. So I may not finish all the people I want you to follow here on X. So I will just post them here so that you can be able to get them, okay, onto the X account. Good. Now we move from there. I think I'm finished with fundamental analysis. So fundamental analysis is basically just looking at past data, friends. Sorry, just looking at what is this cryptocurrency having, and what is its plan, and that's what fundamental analysis is. But now we are here to understand technical analysis. We are here to understand technical analysis. And with technical analysis, my brothers, my sisters listening to me, it is simple, okay? It is simple, and that's where we are gonna be spending most of our time on, okay? It is simple. One, I showed you, this is, I showed you this account is for I showed you this account, Investopedia. You can use Investopedia for doing your personal research. Investopedia for your personal research. It will really help you a lot. And it will help you to be able to do some other research. That one is a normal research area. It's called Wikipedia. You can only use it if you want to make some research on anything. Usually, I love bookmarking. Okay. So I will remove this page. And now we enter a little bit of the introduction. Okay. Use this one. Okay, so now this is TradingView. This is where we do technical analysis. I know I've introduced this to you before. And I'm not going to go so much into details because what I've given so far is good to go. But I just want to share with you just a little bit, a few aspects where that I want to put my time in the coming few days. Okay, so you use this one in the coming few days so that we can be able to follow. Okay. You follow from here. Now, as the chart is opening, use this one. As the chart is opening, yes, use this one. Okay. As the chart is opening, when we talk about technical analysis, you need to just understand, friends, that we look at the history of the coin. We agree. The history of the coin and the price of the coin. So the history of the coin, we believe that the price, the history of this price, or what we call price action, repeats itself What has happened in the past? Eh? Wow, there's an offer here. You buy 6 months, you get 6 months free. Ah. This is a very big offer, but how expensive is it? But I'm not going to go into the offer. I'm just going to open it there, then I move away. Let me see. It is ending in 13 days. I just show you this offer, friends, those who want to have. So you get your trading view for a year. So there are offers here on your trading view. The offer ends in 14 days. So if you are interested and you have some money, just that the market is down, I know most of you are not able to win through, but this is the offer. You can just scroll down here. I think I just went so much down. You can pay for your trading view. They are giving an offer. They are giving an offer here. You can buy essential. You can buy essential. They are giving you here. So here you buy 6 months. Each month is $7. But this one, it's like, then here you buy. My internet is unstable. So those who are willing to buy TradingView, they're giving some offers. So you pay $14 manually, monthly. So if you take the offer, it means that you have 13 days left for your current essential plan. Okay, so we will add them to your new plan. So your purchase will recover 378 days. So the next plan on June 24th. So if you decide to pay, like when you decide to make the payment, then it's going to be very easy for you. So you can decide to pay, and you can pay via crypto. Those who want to pay, by the way, it's not a must. You can use a free version, but you will not be able to enter all your details. Let me leave that aside. So if you wish to pay, TradingView is giving a 6 months offer in the coming 14 days. So you can go either non-professional or professional, but you don't need to go professional because this professional thing is highly expensive. Just stay here in non-professional, okay? Just stay here in non-professional, and you can go 2 charts per tab, 5 indicators, 10 historical bars, 20 technical alerts. These are even okay. The first ones are okay. Okay, the first ones are okay, and you can be able to enjoy. So they give you basic, essential, plus, premium, expert, elite. So they give you how many charts? Here you can have 1, here you can have 2 charts, here you can have 4. So you choose what suits your pocket. But that can be done by anybody. Okay. Right. Now, me, I'm using this one. I think I paid $14 to be able to access more than 4 indicators. Okay. Now, technical analysis, friends, that we are going to go into details in the coming days, is that we look at the history of the coin. For example, in the morning, I gave a coin by the names of High. When I woke up and I came in the charts, I looked at High. Let me open it for you. So the coin is called High. It is here. The coin is called High. So it's the name of the cryptocurrency, and it is called High. So when I came to look at this coin personally, here, I saw that even if I remove this, let me remove this. When I looked at this coin in the 4-hour time frame, in the history, I'm talking about technical analysis, I saw that if I draw a line, but I'm not yet where I want to teach you. When I draw a line here, just here, I see, let me get my brush. I see that what happened here is what is happening here. I'm talking what is technical analysis. Can you give me one in the chat if you can see that? Give me one in the chat if you can. Give me a 3. What happened here is that is repeating itself here. Give me a 3 in the chat. I'm explaining what technical analysis is. And we are gonna go into deep details. So we look at the history of a coin. We believe that price action repeats itself. What the coin has done in the past, the coin can repeat it again. That's why I gave this signal. I saw that the market had done something in the past. Let me take it to one day so that it brings out the picture. Let me remove this. Can we see here, friends? What had happened here repeated itself here, and with no decree. That's why I gave that coin for trading. So when we talk about technical analysis, we believe as traders that the market repeats what it has ever done before. That's why the minimum take profit here can even be 10% or 5 minimum. We do not look at external factors. So that's why we use indicators to tell the chart history. That when I play in this indicator, let me say, these are my common indicators. This is my auto Fibonacci here. I can see that the market has dipped at 161% 8 line. And this is usually a major reversal. It is very easy for the market, according to the history of the performance of the market, to bounce from this point here and bump up to here. And that is a 55%. I can leave this here for history. And I will open up this coin one day. The only difference is the ability to wait that people don't have. But this reversal here, usually when the market reaches this line, it reverses with a high momentum. And I will not be surprised when the market reverses once again to see that high has even been able to deliver over 55%. Now we use indicators like the MACD. This is one of my indicators, and I will talk about it so much in our training classes. The moving average convergence divergence indicator, and you will see me talk about it so much. The other indicators that I use to analyze the market, I use the FIB. I can remove it for now. I use these indicators. Okay, these indicators are the exponential moving average. Although I'm not done, I use 5 of them, but although I may not be able to put all of them here. The other indicators I use is the RSI, the Relative Strength Index. You discover in our coming classes that when we start talking about indicators, we shall be able to drop an understanding to you that these indicators, my friend, they are what we call current indicators and lagging indicators. This gave me, I wanted this one. The Relative Strength Index, this one, not the stochastic. Okay, I wanted the Relative Strength Index. This is usually my indicator, this one. I don't use so much this one. I use this one. This one is my best. So when I look at this indicator, especially this one, the Relative Strength Index that I use most, I find that the coin is in the oversold area and it is going to pump to the overbought area. So indicators help us look at the past data and predict perfectly what is coming in the future. We are not, as people who do technical analysis, you cannot win all trades. we shall miss out on some. Because what pains people is that someone sees a coin, for example, and says, had I known about this coin, I would be a multi-millionaire. No, no, friends. You cannot trade all coins. Give me a 2 in the chat if my message is home. You cannot trade all coins. Give me a 2 in the chat if my message is home. You do not need to die on the market. You see, someone says, I would be a successful person if I knew about this coin. You will miss out on some, you will win on some. Give me a 2 in the chat if I'm making sense. You will not be able to win all trades. You will not be on the market. You just want to find a few. You cannot find all trades, my friend. You see, people get stressed. You see, I missed out on this coin, and they develop the fear of missing out. You cannot be able to have all trades. You will win on some, you will miss out on some, especially if you have very little capital. You see, someone with little capital can keep in your chat from morning to evening. Why is this coin not selling? I feel bad. Come and tell me, why is my coin not selling? Since I gave it to the robot. People with little capital, they complain. Then you tell them, add more money. I thought this money I had got would change my life. People with little capital, he can be in your inbox in the morning, afternoon, evening, quarter evening, sweat evening, hot evening, full evening. Every time is in your chat. It is not selling. I feel bad. I feel bad. I feel bad. You see, the first time I entered this coin, it gave me immediately. Now I want to sell. We enter another one. The dynamics are not against me. I want to bring my neighbor. I want to bring my aunt. It keeps frightening you that you are delaying him to bring his friends. Then you tell him, if you want to bring them, bring them. If you don't want, it's okay. That's when he understands that you are not interested in what he's talking about all the time. I want to bring my uncle. You say, I spoke to him the other time. People can make so many stories, but they just need to understand that they need some degree of patience. Now, this coin is going to do well. This reversal is nice, but there's no good historical data. But the reversal is nice here using the RSI. Okay, the reversal is nice. Okay, here using the RSI at 78, we could see this coin still continue up to around 38 here. And if someone is a sharp trader, the coin is called wave. So if someone is a sharp shooter, they could shoot a 2%. They could shoot a 2%. This reversal is strong at 78. This coin will be able, and the stochastic RSI is here. So you are using past data. We are using past data, okay? We are using past data. The reverse has happened there at 78. The coin can be able to deliver that. And that's how we do the technical analysis stuff. So we are gonna go in depth on how these indicators work, how we use them, how we continue to see how perfect we would find winning trades in the market and be able to make money patiently and diligently. So that was the introduction. So technical analysis versus fundamental analysis. With technical analysis, you are looking at past data. Fundamental analysis, you are looking at news. Certain coins do well because they have news around them. Certain coins do purely because they have news around them. Hey, what is happening? This is still going like nobody's business. It is still continuing to the downside, like it has been sent away. But the market misbehaved, but the market will recover. As simple as that. That's all I had for today. I want to thank you so much. I want to thank you so much for attending. And no, it was a joke, Ivan. You see, Ivan has got annoyed. Not all of us with little capital. Did I say little capital is how much? I didn't define what little capital is. Ivan, don't get to my neck. Okay. So thank you so much, friends. Now, Sentimental analysis, which I did not go into details, this is analysis of what is being talked about most in the market. Okay, maybe I had forgotten sentimental. What is being talked about most in the market? Now there is an application, but it's for paying. This application is called Luna Crash. It is here, friends. You can download it from Google Play Store. You pay. I paid, but now I'm not paying. So it gives what we call sentimental analysis. Okay, it gives you sentimental analysis, and you get notifications. So here, it gives what are people talking about most. Celebrities. What are celebrities saying? Social network, technology. What are countries saying? You want to be, what is Premier League, Formula One, US elections. So these are statements being made in the market. Then for you say, I am interested in cryptocurrency. The app is called Luna Crash. So they tell you what is happening in crypto. On social media platforms, sentiment is for social media platforms. Give me a 2-inch. So they said, you want more metrics, upgrade. You see, they have covered the information. They want me to pay $8 per month. But you see, guys, the reason why sometimes I overpay for so many things and I get tired. So certain things I say, this one. So monthly here it is $10. So you can pay and unlock social and market metrics. They give you what is happening on social media platforms. I don't understand these guys because I've been with them for some good time. I thought they would have a favor and they return our points we earned and allow us to subscribe for free. But these guys have refused. But it is a very good app, Luna Crash. If you are not good on staying on social media, you can pay for Luna Crash and it's social media's information for you. Mr. Valens, have I answered? Mr. Valens, have I answered you? The other name is not easy. The other name is very hard. Have I answered you? So the app is here. It's called Luna Crash. Luna Crash. Okay, there is no benefits. Let me see if they have share. Let me copy the link. And I drop here in the chat. You can register maybe in the near future. Maybe in the near future, you use the app. Have I answered you? Or I'm speaking alone? Have I answered you, Mr. Valens? That is sentimental analysis. Social media-based information. The app is there. It's called the Luna Crash. Luna Crash. It keeps you ahead of your game. Yes, it keeps you ahead of your game with what is happening on social media. If a coin is being over-talked about everywhere, it will always spam because of sentimental analysis. So fundamental analysis looks at the project, what the project is all about, how the project works, partnerships, deals that are happening, but sentimental analysis is social media based. Questions? Questions so far? Questions so far? Questions? This is my upline. She's my upline, so she has to be here until she learns these things. I've done this. This one says, what is the difference between fundamental analysis and sentimental analysis? Fundamentals. Sentimental, I've told you, it is social media based statements about a certain asset. While fundamental analysis is what this project is all about. What are the partnership is this project making? What deals is this project making? What product are they making? What is the coin doing currently? Is there any deal they are closing? That is fundamental analysis. Sentiment analysis, these are words that are being talked about on a certain project. Does it make sense to you? Ndele, your name is hard, and I don't want to pronounce. Is it hard? Is it clear for you now? Could you share the Telegram link for what? For which Telegram? Which Telegram? Maybe what I can share is my news anchor page of WhatsApp. Only maybe. Let's see. Group link for what? Use your uplines. Maybe I could share with you my news anchor page. My news anchor page. Coach, first tell us about the direction of the market because it's very down. What could be the problem? The market will recover. Whatever goes down, goes up. Me, I'm happy that the market is down and I'm doing my level best to invest in more money. I actually love it when the market is down because when the market is down, we buy more. And when it rises, we make more money. You just need to be patient. You just need to be patient. Any more questions? 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 I want to be a billionaire. If no more questions, I believe we come to the end of the call. We would like to thank you so much.